guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika and welcome to another Amazon haul. Today I will be showing you such great sneakers which are for running, for everyday use, for office use, under 1000 rupees only. There is a sale going on Amazon right now, so I got everything under 1000. So you can check out all the products links in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have like huge Amazon parcels and I got 5 different pairs for all type of girls who like white shoes or different type of colored shoes. So let's get into it. I'm super excited to show each one and see how they are because I've never worn something under so budget. So the first one right here is this box. Let me just unbox one by one. These all are from the brand name Campus and this is the first one. It comes with a good packaging, like it is good for gifting as well. And if I open it, it's packed really well. So this is the first one. It is a white and multicolored rainbow sneakers and this is how it looks. Oh my god, look at these. It has it's very lightweight first of all. Also the base is good, like the heel is this much, like 1 or 2 inches. Then it has pink detailing right here, pink detailing over here as well, and some rainbow laces over here, so it will give a very nice look. You can see the branding right here itself. Also it comes with the branding at the back side. It's white in color and looks super cool, I think so. And also I got this all in the size UK 6 I think, and that fits my toe like perfectly because I am in the size 39. So if you want to refer the size chart, it's amazing because I just checked out that. And that's it. It says Campus Neutrofy, better energy return, ultra lightweight of course, and it has a softer the sole. So let me check the sole once. This is how it looks from the inside. The branding is here as well, and it feels like it's soft. It has like this cushiony pad over here, and it says advanced memory cushioning, so I think it will be good for running. Also I got a very nice review of Campus shoes from a couple of friends. They said that it is durable and will perfectly fit you and work good for 1 or 2 years if you're wearing on daily basis. And these are white in color. Classic piece if you're someone who are styling these with your trousers or jeans, and it will give like a pop of color and it will also look really nice. And white never goes out of style. It goes with every single outfit. So this is how it looks together. Like it definitely looks cool. So moving on to the second shoes, I have already unboxed it. These are the running shoes from Campus. These were available in 3 colors I think. There was a pink, there was a beige, and no, 4 colors: black, beige, pink and blue. So I got in blue color and it looks very sturdy. It's like washable at home. There is cloth material right here and it has this branding here. Campus is not written but the logo is here. It has pink and blue and looks super chic and nice. This one has like a solid, like tall sole, and again from front, as you can see, it definitely looks like a running shoe only, like with the oval shaped or round shape from the starting. So it's good for jumping and going to the gym. And it has branding over here as well. It has branding at the back as well. Campus is written, and also the sole looks super cool and I think it is very comfortable. From its look only I can say that it looks super chic and it looks something bought from Decathlon. Very lightweight, and I think blue color is also a very statement color if you want to style it with your yoga pants. So It will give such a elegant look, and these have laces right here and cloth material. Also, it's very squishy and flexible. It will not break, I think. And also, again, this is in the size UK 6. I will just see from the inside how it looks. Also, all of these shoes came in such good packaging. Look, it has this kind of seal, so it says no return if seal is broken. And I think it's very good packaging from the Amazon side. And it has a smooth flow sole as well. So this is how it looks, and I think these ones are gonna be my favorite running shoes from now on. Look at them, so good. Like, again, I bought in a different color so that you guys get a good perspective of shopping different type of shoes. Next up, I have this big parcel in which 3 pairs came. So let's check out the next one. So this is the next one. This one has a very normal packaging in a brown kind of cardboard. I don't even remember which one I ordered. It's been like 4-5 days. Oh, this is one of my favorites. These are the white Nike copy kind of sneakers. So if you are someone who loves Air Force Nike, then you will definitely love this style. It has these, you know, drop beads right here. It has a beige detailing here, and also at the back the beige detailing, and it has the logo on the side. So here is the campus ka branding wala thing, and I think this is such a white, a classic white, but also with such good color. This one was available, I think, in more than 7 to 8 different colors, and I got the nude one because this will complement a lot of outfits. And also, I love to wear like jeans which are not skin fit. It's like baggy jeans or low jeans. So if you wear sneakers like this with small kind of sole, then it goes till the ground and it gives the illusion of your legs looking super long. So it looks so good, and this is how it looks, both of them together. Super good, super nice. It's like a pure classic white, but with these kind of detailing on the side. So I think this looks like a copy or dupe of very expensive brands. Next up, I have this very pop of color box. This box is not in a good condition. I don't know if it's new or old. From the inside, it definitely looks new. So let's unbox. This one is for the girls who love to dance or love to experiment, or the pooky girls. This is pink in color, and this is how it looks. This one is like proper cloth material which we used to use in school time, and these are very lightweight. This is the most lightweight shoes out of all of the shoes that I've showed you. It has these very new you know, monogram over here. It says try something new. It has blue detailing and pink in color, so it complements really well. If you like to wear a lot of black, gray and white outfits and you just don't have any colors in your life, you can just pop in with a pop of color shoes and it will look so good on different type of outfits. This one has such big soles, so if you're someone whose height is very small and you like baggy big shoes, then you can go for this one. This one was available in so many neon colors, like neon green, neon yellow, and also orange was looking really nice. I wanted to go for the orange one, but then I thought, why not try the pink one. Also, there is a pure white shoe, so if you're someone who's into high top sneakers in white color, then you can check this one out. This is how it looks, the detailing. Do check it out. I think I showed you 4 different pairs. I am left with only one. This is the last piece of the haul. Okay, these are again white sneakers, but it has a very pretty pink sign over here and a little bit of detailing, blue detailing at the back and at the sides, and this is how it looks. This one actually is something that I like personally, because I like very simple shoes, and I have these Nike color changing ones that change color in the UV light. So these are something very similar to that, but इसमें वो UV वाली technology तो नहीं है, but still it looks good and it will look good with a lot of my trousers. So I think this one I'm gonna keep, and the other rainbow laces one I think I'm gonna return it, because I think I am more into plain white solid laces or shoes. So this is how this one looks. All of them has kind, like I have felt like it has same kind of built. Every single shoe that I showed you, it has the same kind of sole, and the size actually fits me perfectly. So this is my final pick from the Amazon sale. So I'm going to show you the other one. So yeah, this is how it looks. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I think my favorite would be these, and the running shoes, the blue one looks super cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Do comment down below what kind of other hauls you would like to see, and I'll buy from Amazon or Myntra and show you guys. Until next time.